Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Mieko. Today we are going to do neck and shoulder release exercise. You can do anywhere at your work, during traveling, whenever you need, release your tension. And if you want to move around, please use this exercise too. Let's start. I'm sitting on the floor, but of course you can sit on the chair. You can do during standing too. Relax your arms. Let's find your shoulder movement. Shoulder come close to your ear. Shoulder away from your ear. I mentioned shoulder, but I want you to feel scapula too. Up and down. Scapula and shoulder joint moving together. Breathing naturally. Feel your organic breath. Breathe out. Try full range of motion. Going down, up, and down. One more time. And then come back to center. Now we make circle. Circle again from your scapula, like wings, right? Shoulder blade. It's not just shoulder. Scapula, shoulder, circles. You can feel scapula come up, squeezing, and then opening. And other direction. I can start feel my shoulder start warm. Circulation. Good. Last one more time. And relax. Right. Left arms behind. Right hand or your left arms. This is your anchor. And you are going to gently move your head to the right. Do you feel stretch your neck? Feel deep muscle stretch underneath of your skin. And then I want you to move your chin a little bit front. Feel the little bit back side of your neck. Gently come back to center. Switch. Right hand, back side. Use your gravity, head relax. And move your chin a little bit forward. And come back center. Let's make hands together like this, and I want you to put your collarbone. And you're going to look up, stretch front of your neck. So imagine your collarbone is an anchor. And then you turn to one side, maybe move your head back. This is one of my favorite to stretch my neck. And then turn to other side. Head move to back side gently. You can feel the front. And come back center. Hands behind your neck. Don't press too hard. Just gently move your head forward. And then come back center. Left arms up and bend. Touch your elbow and stretch from your scapula. Back side. Feels so good. Even feeling ribcage opening. And then come back center. Other side. And then come back center. Now last one, hands together. Breathe in. As exhale, cat position. Look your navel. Open your scapula. Just imagine your hands are pulling each other. And then come back center. Breathe in to the right. Feel your left scapula opening. Center to the right. And come back center. One more. Open chest. You know why? Because neck connected to your chest. Look up. Open your heart. Wonderful. And come back center. How are you feeling? No tension. Too much? Thank you for joining me. See you next time.